So it is quite a serious step to arrest someone.
Now, they're searching properties. In order to take material away, if that's what they're doing, would they have needed to arrest him, or could that all have happened without the arrest?
Oh yes, that could have happened without the arrest. What they would need to do that is to have a search warrant. You may then find something that leads to an arrest, or you might arrest beforehand. In this case, they've chosen to arrest beforehand.
And then the phrase, the person they arrested is in custody at this time. I mean, is that just part of the process?
Yeah, if you're arrested. One is that he might not be charged. If he is charged, he could be released upon bail. And I can't imagine that he wouldn't be released upon bail, because he wouldn't keep someone in custody, locked up, pending trial for a matter like this, serious as it is. It does carry life imprisonment. The alternative is that they don't charge him, in which case they could say, bye-bye, nice to have met you. Or they could say, we're releasing you pending further inquiries.
And how long can they arrest someone before that decision to charge? How long can they hold him?
Normally, you would expect a decision to be made within 24 hours. There are circumstances in which they can ask for an extension of that time. But I'm not sure that this is the sort of case where they'd be doing that.
Wendy Joseph Casey, the former Old Bailey judge. Well, Jonathan Dimbleby, broadcaster, historian, longtime friend and confidant of the King, joins us now. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Sarah.
What are your thoughts on, well, the significance of this moment, the brother of the King being arrested?
It is enormously significant, of course, because if you have indicated it's the first time for a very long time that any member of the royal family has been arrested on an offence of any kind. I think that my first thought is that the King has made the statement that we heard just earlier. That does not surprise me at all. Not at all. He's head of state. He's at the apex. He is the crown in this respect. So were there to be a trial, were there to be a charge, it would be in the name of the crown of the King. But it would be in character as well. He made it very clear earlier that he would cooperate with the Thames Valley Police were there to be any questions that they would like him to answer. So I think that it demonstrates oddly, perversely, if you like, because people talk about the damage to the royal family, it demonstrates actually the strength of the Constitution in this respect, that the police have acted without fear or favour. They've treated him, as we've just been listening, as if he were any other, as he is any other citizen, without fear or favour, without any sense that because he is a member of the royal family, that he should be given kid gloves treatment. He hasn't been.
But he isn't, though, any other member of the public, is he? I mean, he is the King's brother, and I wonder what you think about the damage that this does to the royal family, to the monarchy.
I don't think that it damages the monarchy. I think we have to separate the notion of a family from the institution of the monarchy. I think it's very important. It's very easy to align the two, and I have to say in parenthesis, I think that the former Duke of Edinburgh used the most unfortunate phrase when he talked about the family business. It's not a family business, first of all. Secondly, if you take the individuals, the senior, he mentioned, the King mentioned,